Why hugas? Huh? Oh my god, I thought they like my legs.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi guys! Oh my goodness guys. I have a news for you guys. My sister is here and she will be here a few minutes from now. I think she's somewhere. But yeah, so she's here. I don't know what she's doing here in the US or New York. Whatever she's doing, I don't know. No. But yeah guys, she is here. And then I'm gonna introduce you. She is my sister MaryAnn. And if you haven't been watching me from the beginning, she is my twin sister.
Hi guys.
Okay.
Hello.
Introduce yourself. Hello. MaryAnn pala ito guys. I am MaryAnn. Itong sister ko na tagalinis ng bahay na to. Yeah, I'm just here visiting her. Yeah, sis, how you been doing this YouTube thing? I don't know. What do you care? You don't really care. So why you're asking, huh? Forget it. Yeah, forget it. You crazy. Anyway, you guys, last year, I think that was last year, I was with her. I just get back from our country. Pilipinas pala. So sister, how was your vacation? It was fun. Gee, it was fun. There's a lot of guys in the kali-kali. They're like, you know, looking at you and with like that. They do that, sis. Oh my god, it's crazy. And then do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? I really thought they like my legs. I'm sorry guys, I'm on my laptop right now. My back, kind of like freaking talk. Wow, legs! Why legs? Why hugas? Huh? Oh my god, I thought they like my legs. But they kind of like make fun of me. Buang ni mo, iwanin mo labayag ba to? That's why I don't really like, you know, in our country, I don't really like, you know, like walking on the street because, ay, jeez. Mga hinawayon, mga lalaki dito. Mura bag mga gwapo, mga tambay ba? Right guys? Anyways, sis, you were lucky. Why? You were lucky. Because I have a lot of jeans to wear. No, you idiot. But you're married to my brother-in-law, Tommy. You're so lucky. He's so good to you. You were lucky now. You were lucky. Yeah, you were lucky. Unlike you says, you're still looking for Mr. Right. Right? Mr. Right. Yeah. Oh, I have a chica says, I meet a guy sa barko. I meet a guy. And then I meet a guy in the barko. In the barko, guys. Yeah, guys, I met a guy. Yes, I did. And he's so handsome. Oh my G. Oh my goodness. And kind of like super guapo. Makalustrid og panty sis. Makalustrid og panty. Unya, imo sa gipalustrid ring mong panty. Imo sa gipalustrid yung panty. That's why no one take you seriously. Because you're nutsy. Oh my goodness. Oy. Cha. Oh, this coming, we're planning, guys. You know, we're planning sis to this coming Valentine's Day. We're gonna do Skyping. Oh, that was really quick. Yeah, so what? Mabilis. Yeah, kami na. Kami na. Why? You and Tommy also, it's just very fast when you are... Hey, I was in a hurry. What do you want? And he was in a hurry too. What do you want? Oh my goodness. Filler. Ay, pagwapa naman sa akin. Feeling sa kay kada twin. What's your plan for this coming Valentine's Day with you and Tommy? I don't really know. We don't really go out in the Valentine's Day. Why? Bakit? Why bakit, sister? Why bakit? Valentine's Day and Mother's Day is the busiest day in the restaurant. So we're just stay put. You know, we're just going to stay home and enjoy. We're not gonna enjoy if we're just like rushing us, you know. We're not gonna enjoy if they're rushing us. Whatever. Whatever. Oh my god. You guys, this is my crazy sister. Feeling sad gamay. I remember sis, when I was single, when I wasn't married. I remember when I wasn't married. I remember like, oh, my exes, not my exes, not my ex are always like going out in Valentine's Day. They don't even know. I think they don't even know. I never tried what is Valentine's Day, but they never, you know,
Ganun
they don't
ba?
really
Sad
do it. They
naman.
just go with their
Nakakasad
friends,
naman.
inuman, tagay-tagay, ganyan. Ay, nasad tuloy ako. Forget it. That was long time ago. Oh, sister! Na-miss mo ba yung dalawang sister natin?
Sino ba?
Baliw.
Sino ba?
Baliw, 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 baliw.
Just kidding, oy. Alam ko naman, si Inday at Langlang, oo naman.
Even lang. Malita pa rin. Malita yon. Malita yung kapatid nating si lang. Anyway, sis, did you tell Tommy I stay here for good? Huh?
What?
Did you tell him that I stay here for good? For good? Are you serious?
Ba't gulat ka agad? Hindi mo lang alam, katabi ko si Tommy matulog.
Buang manday
Katabi ko si
ka.
Tommy
Pakulo
matulog.
ka ron. May pagkaango-ango din. I told him already.
Hi, joke
Gulat
lang,
din yun.
silosa.
Sabi niya,
Joke lang, oy, silosa
Sabi niya,
ka.
Sabi din niya yun.
Na-shock or happy?
Yeah, it's okay with him,
Happy.
but he told me you have to pay 500 monthly. You know, you're not
Oh,
living
forget
for
it.
free.
Forget it, saging yung kada.
American na itits, sister.
I will stay
Walang
at my
libre, ano
friend's
ba?
house then.
Walang libre na.
I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna stay there.
Okay, you stay with him. Para pag
Pag nandito sa
killer yun
barko,
na.
yun. Sana hindi killer.
Patay ka. I don't have a crazy sister anymore if that will happen.
Okay, sis, I have to lie down na. Uy. Guys, I have to lie down. I was so tired from my flight.
Okay, you go ahead. The walk-in closet is right there. It's for you.
Yeah.
The walk-in closet is your room.
Crazy. Oh my
Joke
God.
lang.
Why? I want to stay over there.
Joke lang, sisto.
Oh, okay lagi kay piti. Di ka ba? Piti.
Oops.
Piti. Bye, guys.
Sis, do you have food? Do you have dried fish? I don't have any more. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. That's my crazy sister. I just want to introduce you. I will see you next time. See you next time. Uy, bumalik
Sorry,
yung
guys, I
crazy.
left.
Bumalik
Anyway,
yung
guys, pinabalik niya ako dito. Sige na,
bumalik
may
yung
sasabihin na
buang.
ako. Ano ba?
Ano bang sabihin mo?
Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching.
Say goodbye.
Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And don't listen to her. She's a crazy lady. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye. No one compares. You stand
Before filming, I have to
to every
write down because I'm gonna do something that my sister